To our today's tutorial. I want us to learn how we can be able to import various plugins into the QGIS software. As you can see on my screen, this is an open QGIS software, and what you are seeing is the layout of the various panels of the QGIS software. I want to be very precise and fast on that particular issue, and I believe that it will be of help to you. Now, the various softwares that I want us to install into the QGIS software, as you can see them on my screen, they are in zip files. I know you might be wondering where I have gotten these plugins. The moment you go at the website of the QGIS website, you will and click resource tab, you are going to get all the plugins related to QGIS in respect to your function. Maybe you are a surveyor, you will get the plugins that are related to survey at the QGIS website at the resource menu. When you click resource, you are going to get all the plugins, and there are more than 5,000 plugins there. As you can see, this is a contour plugin. It is used to give contouring for the purpose of determination of various elevations on a particular map. And we have also a plugin here, the cartonnage plugin that is used mostly by cartographers. So those are the two plugins that I want us to use today. Although and however, the method of installation is the same. So when we install these two plugins, then it will be much easier for you to also be able to install any plugin that suits your activity or practice in a more simpler way. So what you do now is to open your QGIS software, and then you are going to click plugin. When you click plugin, you are going to see a management dialog box that opens in that section, and the first column row you meet is a row by the name manage and install plugins. So you click on that, and when you click on that, it will open with various options. Now I can see you I know you are seeing on my desktop we have an option of all. This is when you want to see all the plugins you have installed. Also installed just does that. It shows all the installed plugins. Invalid shows all the invalid or incompatible plugins that have been installed into the QGIS software. Plugins that require to be uninstalled, they require to be deleted because they might not work onto the software, because maybe they are incompatible or they have a form of corruption inside them, therefore they might not work. You view that on the invalid option. And then when we want to install now plugins, this is now where we are going to lay most of our emphasis. Install from zip, and as you saw our plugins are in zip format. That is to say, they are compressed and they can be easily installed into the QGIS software. So you are going to come and install your plugins by clicking install from zip, and then there will open a session here, and then here you are going to click this browse icon, and when you click, you are going to select where you had saved your plugins. In my case, I had saved my plugins on the desktop, and when I click the desktop like that, I can see them here. They are in zip format, as you can see. And when you click one or anyone or any plugin here in the zip format, you can just open it, and then the software will give you the permission to install plugin, as you can see. Correct. So you install your plugin, and then you see the software tells you plugins installed successfully, and that is how we install the plugins. We can install the second plugin by clicking it, and then you say open and install plugin, and when you do that, it tells you plugin installed successfully, and now the plugin is ready for use. And that is how we install various plugins into the QGIS software. Let's meet in our next tutorial.